Okay. Over over the years, the brilliant minds that are behind all our, vaccines, spaceships, all that type of irrelevant shit, have often wondered a singular question, and that is, what is the dog doing? Now, I've often wondered this myself, and I'm sure all of you have. And I'm going to teach you my secret way of figuring out what the dog is doing. I'm guaranteed you'll use this once in your life. It incorporates a bit of, mathematics, science, all that type of fun shit that you hate doing, right? Okay, so first step, you want to grab your dog, preferably standing. It's easier to calculate. So we've got a dog here. Now we want to go into MS Paint, right? Now we got our dog, we got our dog. And we want to draw up our lines, okay? So the main rule of Pythagoras' theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I think. Anyway, we draw up our lines. Don't mind my messy lining. So we've got line 1 here, right? That's one paw length. And now we've got line 2, which will be up here. And now our infamous c squared, which is this line that connects both the bow. So to label A, label B, whoops, and label C. Whoops, oh no. My whole shit froze up. Hell. Okay. Now, we want to take into account a bit of measurement as well. So just by looking at this, I can tell this dog's leg is at least 3 centimeters long, right? I'll just do a C for centimeters. And the B length is at least 2 centimeters long, right? That's the second step done. Now, what we want to do is we want to get out a little calculator. Now, I definitely don't have to search up how to do Pythagoras' theorem because I totally haven't forgotten, right? 3 squared plus 2 squared should give us our answer, right? So 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4, 9 plus 4, right? Equals 13. We want to do the square root of this, because that is c squared. We want c, so we go square root equals error. Square root of 13 and bracket equals 3.60. Now 3.60 is 3. This is where the science comes into it. I'm going to dabble in a tad bit of astrology. So the third month, March, is March, right? What star sign is March, right? That gives us 2. But now this comes into the 6th. That means the 6th day of the March. So this dog is indeed a Pisces. Okay, right. Now, we figured that out. We're on to like step 7 now. So we go Pisces. Okay. Pisces is a sign of, insert word here, romantics. For it exalts Venus and serves love. Now, to me, that makes sense. Doesn't. Devotion, pleasure, and all that is beautiful and tender. So we've gathered that our dog is indeed a romance type, right? Very valuable in the field. They're used for cannon fodder. And with that, we go back into MS Paint real quick, and we write the word romance. Okay, romance. So I have deduced that the dog is doing romance. It is searching for other dogs, to start a valiant relationship with. Whether it is the kind that leads to things happening or not, That is unknown. That is an unknown factor. It's a variable. It's an outlier. It does not matter. But, ladies and gentlemen, I have shown you the very complex and legitimate way to figure out what the dog is doing. I hope you'll take this information with you to the grave. Use it much in life because it has helped me once.